Hello and welcome back to English with Cheri. I'm your host, Cheri, and this is the podcast where we have everyday conversations in simple, natural English. Whether you're a beginner or just building your confidence, you are so welcome here. Today's episode is called I Feel Sad on Sundays. And if you've ever had that feeling, that strange, heavy feeling that creeps in on a Sunday afternoon, you are definitely not alone.
Hey everyone, I'm Nick, the co-host. And okay, I have to be honest because when Cheri told me the topic for today, I felt it immediately, like right here, because I genuinely feel this way almost every Sunday. It's so real.
Right? And it's funny because Sunday is supposed to be a good day, you know? It's still the weekend, you don't have to work, but there's just something about it, something in the air.
There really is. It's sort of like the weekend is almost over and you can feel it ending. Even if you're having a great time, there's this little shadow following you around.
A shadow, I love that. That's such a good way to describe it. And actually, a lot of people call this feeling the Sunday scaries. That's a really common expression in English, the Sunday scaries. It means that anxious, sad feeling you get on Sunday, usually in the afternoon or evening when you start thinking about the week ahead.
Yeah, the Sunday scaries. And anxious, that's a word our listeners should remember. Anxious means you feel a little worried or nervous about something, like your stomach feels a bit tight, uncomfortable.
Yes, exactly. That uncomfortable feeling in your body. And for a lot of people, the Sunday scaries come because Monday is coming. Work, school, responsibilities, it all starts again.
Right, and there's this phrase I hear all the time, I dread Mondays. Do you say that, Cheri?
Oh, absolutely. I dread Mondays. And dread, that's such a powerful word. To dread something means you really, really don't want it to come. It's stronger than just saying, I don't like it. It's more like you feel almost scared thinking about it. Heavy.
Yeah, like it's not just a mild feeling. When you dread something, it kind of hangs over you. You can't really forget it's coming.
Exactly. And I think a lot of our listeners can relate to that, whether it's Monday morning, going back to school, or just starting the week again. That feeling of dread can be really strong sometimes.
So, can I share something personal here because I think it might help people connect with this topic?
Yes, please, go for it.
Okay, so last Sunday, I was having a genuinely nice day, right? I slept in, I had a big breakfast, I watched some TV, and then around, I don't know, maybe 4 in the afternoon, I just felt off. That's the only word I could think of. I just felt off.
Oh, I feel that so much. And I feel off is such a natural everyday expression. It means you feel a little strange, a little not right, but you can't really explain why. Nothing is seriously wrong, but something just doesn't feel normal. You feel off.
Yes, and I actually said to myself, I can't put my finger on it, which is another really useful expression, right?
Oh, that's a great one. I can't put my finger on it means you can't find the exact reason for something. The feeling is there, but you can't explain it clearly. You're kind of searching for the answer, but you just can't find it.
That's exactly it. And I think that's what makes Sunday sadness so interesting in a way. It's not always about one specific thing, it's more of a general heaviness, a mood.
Right. And I think part of it is because the weekend went by so fast. That's another phrase we hear all the time. The weekend went by so fast. Or people say, time flies. Have you heard that one, Nick?
Of course, time flies. It means time passes very quickly. And it really does on weekends, doesn't it? You wait all week for Saturday, and then before you know it, it's Sunday night.
Before you know it, that's a good one too. It means something happens very quickly, almost before you notice. So for listeners listening, you can say, before you know it, the weekend is over. Before you know it, it's Monday morning. Very natural, very everyday.
And then the alarm is already set for Monday morning, and suddenly the Sunday scaries are fully here.
Fully here. So, Nick, why do you think people feel this way? Is it just about work and Monday, or do you think there's more to it?
I think it's a few things, honestly. Part of it is definitely thinking about the week ahead. That phrase, the week ahead, just means the coming week, what's coming next. And thinking about everything you have to do, meetings, classes, deadlines, chores, it can feel overwhelming.
Overwhelming. That's a really important word. Let's make sure our listeners know this one. Overwhelming means there is too much, too many things to think about or do at the same time. It can make you feel tired just thinking about it, like your brain is full.
Yes, overwhelming. Your brain is full and you haven't even started yet. And I think another big reason is that on the weekend, we kind of switch off. We relax, we do things we enjoy. And then Sunday feels like a reminder that the relaxation is ending.
I totally agree. And actually, there's a nice word for relaxing and getting your energy back: recharge. Like the weekend is the time when you recharge, like a phone battery. You plug yourself in and fill back up.
Oh, I love that. Recharge. So the weekend is when you recharge, and then Sunday night, your battery might be full, but you already know it's going to drain again tomorrow. That's kind of sad, actually.
It is, a little. And I think for some people, it's not even about work at all. Some people just feel sluggish on Sundays. That's a good word, sluggish. It means slow, heavy, without much energy, like your body and brain just don't want to move.
Sluggish. Yeah, I know that feeling well. You're sitting on the couch and you want to do something, but also you don't want to do anything. You're just in between.
In between, yes, that's exactly how it feels. Not working, but not fully resting either. Just sort of stuck in the middle. And I think that in between feeling can actually make the sadness stronger because you feel a little guilty for not doing anything, but also too tired to do something.
Right, that guilt. And guilt just means that uncomfortable feeling when you think you did something wrong, or in this case, that you didn't do enough. That's a very common Sunday feeling, too.
It really is. Okay, so let's talk about what people actually do to feel better on Sundays, because I think our listeners want practical ideas, not just the feelings, but how do you actually deal with this?
Good point. So, for me personally, I try to plan something I look forward to on Sundays. That phrase, look forward to, means you feel excited or happy about something that's going to happen. So, if I put something nice in my Sunday, I have a reason to feel good.
Oh, that's clever. And look forward to is such a useful everyday phrase. You can say, I look forward to the weekend. I look forward to seeing my friends. I look forward to my coffee in the morning. It just means something makes you feel happy before it even happens.
Yes, and if you have something to look forward to on Sunday itself, a nice meal, a walk outside, a good movie, it really does change the whole feel of the day.
That's such good advice. And for me, I really try to wind down slowly on Sunday evenings, not suddenly switch from weekend mode to, okay, tomorrow is Monday mode, but just ease into it gently.
Wind down. Can you explain that one, Sherry? I want to make sure everyone gets it.
Sure, to wind down means to relax slowly, to calm down gradually. You're reducing your energy level little by little. So instead of suddenly stopping everything and going to bed, you take a bath, listen to quiet music, have a warm drink. You wind down softly.
That sounds so cozy. And cozy, I have to mention that word. Cozy means warm, comfortable, and safe feeling, like being under a blanket on a cold evening. It's a very pleasant, gentle feeling.
Yes, cozy. I think we all need a little more cozy in our Sunday evenings, honestly. Make it feel intentional. Make it feel nice.
And I've heard that having a Sunday routine can really help too. A routine means doing the same things in the same order regularly. Like every Sunday morning, I make coffee, I go for a short walk, I read a little. It gives the day a structure.
Oh, I love that idea. A routine gives you something familiar, something comfortable. And for learners, routine is a great word to know. It means a regular set of habits or activities that you do, usually at the same time. Your morning routine, your evening routine, those kinds of things.
And having a good Sunday routine can make you feel more in control, less scattered. Because without a routine, Sunday can feel a bit random, like time is just slipping away.
Scattered. Yes, I want to highlight that one. Scattered means your thoughts or your energy are going in many different directions at once. Like you can't quite focus. Everything feels a little messy inside your head. It's not a good feeling.
Right. And I think Sunday can feel scattered because it's the end of one thing and the beginning of another. It's a transition day.
A transition. Good word, Nick. A transition is a change from one situation to another. And Sunday really is that kind of day. It's between the free time of the weekend and the busy time of the week. You're in the middle of a transition.
So I guess the goal is to make that transition feel gentler, softer, so it doesn't hit you like a wall when Monday arrives.
Exactly. And you know what's interesting? Not everyone experiences the Sunday scaries. Some people actually love Sundays. They enjoy the slowness, the quietness. They feel happy and relaxed on Sundays.
Really? I kind of envy those people, honestly.
Me too. But I think the important message here is this. If you do feel Sunday sadness, that is completely normal. It is very common. You are not strange for feeling this way. A lot of people feel it.
And I think one of the reasons I really love talking about this kind of topic in English is that when you learn the words for a feeling, it somehow makes the feeling a little easier to handle. You know what I mean?
I know exactly what you mean. When you don't have words for something, it can feel confusing and lonely. But once you have the words, the Sunday scaries, I feel off, I dread Mondays, I can't put my finger on it. Suddenly, you feel understood, connected.
Connected. And that's kind of the whole point of language, right? Not just grammar and vocabulary, but using words to connect with other people. To say, hey, I feel this way too.
Well said. And that's really what this podcast is about at its heart. Not just learning English, but using English to understand yourself and the world around you a little better. We're so glad you're here for it.
Okay, so before we wrap up, let's do a quick review of some of the words and phrases from today, just to make sure everyone goes away with something useful.
Great idea. Let's do it. I'll start. The Sunday scaries, that anxious, heavy feeling you get on Sundays, usually because Monday is coming.
I dread Mondays. I really don't want Monday to come. It feels heavy and scary.
I feel off. I feel a little strange, a little not right, but I can't explain exactly why.
I can't put my finger on it. I can't find the exact reason for my feeling. I know it's there, but I can't explain it clearly.
The weekend went by so fast. The weekend passed very quickly. Time flies.
Look forward to. To feel happy or excited about something that is coming in the future.
Wind down. To relax slowly and gently, especially at the end of the day or the end of the weekend.
Recharge. To get your energy back. Like a phone battery. The weekend is your time to recharge.
And overwhelming. When there's too much to think about or do at the same time, it makes you feel tired or stressed just thinking about it.
Those are all wonderful everyday phrases and a great challenge for our listeners. Try using just one of those expressions this week in a conversation, in a message, in your English journal. Just one. Try it.
I love that challenge. And if you do try one, we would genuinely love to hear about it. You can find us online and leave a comment or send us a message. We really do read everything, and hearing from you makes our week.
It really does. And hey, if you're listening to this on a Sunday afternoon right now, we hope this helped, even just a little. You are not alone in that feeling. Not even close.
You are absolutely not alone. And remember, the Sunday scaries are real, they're common, and they pass. Monday comes, and then before you know it, the weekend is back again.
Before you know it. See, we're using the phrases already.
That's what we're here for. Thank you so much for spending part of your day, Sunday or otherwise, with us here on English with Cheri. We'll be back next week with a brand new topic, a brand new conversation, and more everyday English for you.
Until then, take care of yourselves, wind down nicely tonight, and don't let the Sunday scaries get to you too much.
Bye for now, everyone. See you next time on English with Cheri.
Bye!